Holy crap, I learned something new every day on Instagram. But one thing, hi, what's up? This isn't weird, like, hey, turn on the camera, here I am. Just kidding. But digging through Instagram and whatnot, I have the questions that I get asked all the time. How do you get color matched for Maskcara Beauty? And I'm here to tell you, because it's actually really easy. I'm gonna go wash off on my face because the number one thing is you need to have a foundation-free face, and then you're gonna see how I do it. Okay, now with this makeup, it's always so important to give me the best light, because the best light is gonna give you the best color match, and you definitely wanna have your color match spot on. So you can take a photo and send it to me of you completely foundation free, acne and all, whatever and all, hyperpigmentation, melasma, freckles, you got it, it does not matter. Foundation free, eyes included, or like this, with your eyes done, but I can still see your complete foundation. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand about 3 feet away from the window. You're gonna hold your phone out directly in front of you. Now look at how high my arm is. So you're gonna be directly out in front of you, just like so, not down here, not here, not here, not here, not here. You're gonna be directly in front of that window, because if it's any other way, then it is completely shadowed. So directly in front of the window, you're gonna take it, you're going to say cheese, take that photo, and you are good to go. If you want, you can send me a couple different pictures from different windows in your house just to make sure the lighting is on. But here is a quick tip for you too. Before you take that photo, you need to make sure though that you tap the screen so it's not blown out. Whoopsies, tap, see how it was blown out just like that? Tap the screen, make it focused, and also make sure your lens is not dirty as well. So tap the screen, hold your arm out, take the picture, cheese, cheese, take the picture, and you're good to go. Remember, not down here, not over here, nothing like this, but here. Now, I am going to go show you what it's like when you get your makeup. I'm gonna show you me putting it on so you can see everything in the compact. Now remember, and I'll show you these sizes too, you can get your compact however you want it. You can get a couple colors, a little more, you get to decide what is in your compact because it's custom built for you. So let's go check that out. Okay, so your makeup is going to come in these cute tins. So notice the size of them and you'll be like, what, that's tiny. They last a good solid long time. So I'm gonna show you. So depending on how many colors you get, 4 colors gets you one of these sizes for free, 8 colors gets a double of that for free, 10 colors gets you the mini double decker for free, and then 16 colors gets you this golden nugget for free. But they're going to come like so in these little tins. You're gonna take this baby off if it happens to be on there, and you're gonna take your color and then you're gonna slide it out and put it in place, and it's totally magnetic. So you're gonna do that with all of your colors. I like to put my main foundation, a little lighter foundation, contour, and the other there, just depending on the size that I have. Close that baby up. I will say that I do like to put the creams and the powders separate, because then if heaven forbid it should fall, it's still completely taken care of. And if you ever need to pop it out, pop the sucker out, put other colors back in, or put a new color in its place. It's pretty dang cool. So I'm gonna get it put on, and here we go. Just so you know, this little cutie is gonna come in with your makeup too, and you can use this as a guide, but you can also know that you're gonna have me for your color match too. I will tell you a mark on your face where to put colors, and then you know you're good to go. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the website so you will be set. Depending on what device that you're on, you're going to punch in the link that I give you into your color match, and then you're going to hit shop or makeup. So depending on if your computer or your Android or your iPhone, whichever one, you're then going to go to highlight, and your highlight is your foundation. You're gonna pick on the ones that I have you use, okay? And then I'm gonna hit those two, because usually I'm gonna color match you to more than one. And then we'll go through the contours, all that jazz all the way through. So something as easy as that. The next thing you're gonna do, remember how earlier I said that the compacts, depending on how many you buy, depends if you get your compact for free. So make sure you pay attention to that, because if you do 4, you're gonna go to checkout, and at checkout, after you sign in, it'll say you qualified for a free compact if you have. So make sure you pay attention for that and choose the compact that you want. You're gonna fill everything in. It'll say my name, shop with Jocelyn McClellan, and you are good to go with that baby. All right, let's get this party started. I'm just gonna show you how I work my way through it. Easy peasy as can be. Just know when I go into my compact, how it looks like this one. You do not have to have one that is this full. You can easily have 4 or whatever, but I'm gonna have a lighter color, a darker color, and then whatever lip and cheeks I want, a contour, and we're good to go, so let's have some fun. All right, that was that, so easy. I used a highlight, which is our foundation, and a brightening one to kind of brighten up under key areas, a contour, a blush. You can add a little blush on your, well, it's called lip and cheek. You can add it on your lips too, or a different color, and an illuminator. You guys, it's easy. I hope that just answered your questions with how to get color matched using Maskcara Beauty. If you have any questions, you can let me know. So down below, you're gonna find all links to all my social media handles and how to get color matched, anything like that. But you can always find me at jocelyn.mcclellan on Instagram, Fit Mission Makeup with Jocelyn McClellan on Facebook, where I go live every Tuesday and Thursday. Here, make sure you subscribe and ring the little bell if you wanna get notified for when I bring, why am I being so awkward right now? When I download, upload my new video onto this page, then you can see that too. Holy crap. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm gonna let you go because I keep getting I give up. Oh my gosh. I keep getting tongue-tied, but I hope you have a good one. We'll see you next time. Bye.